Good morning, teachers. I'm very happy that we are working in this Educate Magis international collaboration. So far, you know that 100 students have answered this video, but we have to think about what would be the round number two. But we still can do something with round number one. There is the possibility that students answer back to some of them. And I would suggest that two students, one student should answer to two other students plus one teacher from another country and asking some specific questions related to the topic so that they can build up a more proximate relationship with the countries and with the people and with the schools. So it would work like this. Imagine that we are working with this girl. So
Hi, my name.
I am from Chile. So I listen to her and I would like to answer her back. And here I am. Sorry for my for my look, but I'm still getting up, waking up. And here I've got some questions. So remember, your students, that you can paste the questions over here, and we have to, or I suggest that you greet your classmates, that you highlight one characteristic of them, and here, let me arrange it. Read your classmates, highlight one characteristic of him, of her, comment over the country issue presented, and finish with a question with the person you are interacting with. Remember that you can also add some fun stuff over here, so some effects, some emojis. I would suggest also, so for the guys to recognize the countries you are prompting messages, you could paste the flag of your country. You can write something over here. Yeah. And remember that these posts are not recorded while you present. Yeah. So it is just for you to have clear ideas about what you want to answer. So tell your students to use them. And that's it.